a quick overview of the Shark IZ202 Cordless Vacuum, with thanks to productreview.com.au. Quick start guide, check. I reckon all gadgets should come with a quick start guide, especially if you don't like reading long instruction manuals. Neat little carry bag for your accessories and attachments. Comes with standard attachments like a brush, upholstery and crevice tool. Heavy duty forehead, extension 1 and charger. Neat little feature, a rubber front fender on the brush head, minimises scratching the furniture. Comes with 2 brush rollers, one fuzzy one for smooth floors, a standard, the yellow one for carpet, and it's got these yellow fins which minimise hair from tangling tightly around the brush roller, and a fuzzy brush at the back to stop dirt from getting past. The battery comes with a bit of charge, so you can use it straight away, but I do recommend charging for at least 3 hours for full charge. And for people who hate reading instruction manuals, there's these little stickers on various buttons and switches, so you can figure out how to use it straight away. Extension 1 and accessories all snap into place, and it's also articulated in the center, so you can easily glide under furniture. A fully charged battery is supposed to last about 40 minutes, up to 40 minutes on low power, and the battery can be charged on or off the unit, which is handy if you have additional batteries. There's a smooth floor and carpet setting, which is only relevant if you have the floor head attached, which actually affects the speed of the brushes. The brush head actually pulls the head along so that you can push it effortlessly. And the joint is also can swivel from side to side, so you can turn and twist into all sorts of areas and corners. So it's quite easy to use. Lightweight compared to a regular stand-up vacuum, but it can also fold in half for easy storage. While it doesn't stand on its own, once you fold it, unlock the wand and fold it, it can store neatly and stand up by itself. As for the self-cleaning brush, hair will get inevitably tangled up in the rollers, although it does tangle a lot less than a regular brush roller for a standard vacuum cleaner. The manual recommends that you run it for a while on smooth floor or low carpet to help remove some of the hair, but some still remains. There's these teeth or comb that combs the brush, and there's also hidden a comb for the regular brushes as well that helps to remove some of the hair. But in the end, you still need some manual intervention, as this icon indicates, so you still need to use scissors. It's very easy to empty. You can just unclip the dustbin, or they call it a dust cup. Push the latch and spring it open to empty out dirt. No need to handle bags or anything like that. All the accessories can connect directly to the handheld unit. The extension 1 has a nice brush metal finish, giving it a premium feel. Everything clicks into place with a satisfying snap. You can use the extension 1 to reach far nooks and crannies. You can also unclip the hose from inside the extension 1 in case of any blockages to help clear things out. And the filters, there's a couple of pre-motor filters, a fine one and a thicker sponge filter, all of which are washable. And then there's a post-motor filter, which is a HEPA filter, great for allergy sufferers. So in summary, Its decent battery life will allow you to clean a few good rooms even if you used a boost power setting. Easily converts to a handheld vac, and the attachments you click on really easily and remove easily. It's made from well-built quality materials. The dustbin itself is larger than a typical handheld vac. Best of all, I think, is that it's cordless, so you no need to unwind and pack up or look for a power point. The self-cleaning rollers help to minimize hair tangle. The floor head is suitable for both carpet and smooth floor, and it's got a really decent warranty, 2 years on the battery and 3 years on the unit itself. Now, as for the cons, it's not quite as convenient as a handheld vac if you just need to do a quick spot clean, and it's not quite as powerful as a fully corded vacuum. The dustbin itself is a bit smaller than a conventional vacuum, and it can't actually stand on its own, although it can stand when you fold it in half. It doesn't completely eliminate hair tangle on the brush rollers, and it can't run for quite as long on a corded vacuum unless you get additional batteries, which is probably a good idea if you have a large house. Anyway, thanks for watching, and check out more reviews on productreview.com.au.